What is up? Welcome to another software engineering concept in Python. In this video, we are going to look at BeautifulSoup, which is Python's web scraping Swiss Army knife. So what exactly is BeautifulSoup? BeautifulSoup is a powerful Python library that simplifies extracting data from HTML and XML files. It creates a parse tree from web documents, allowing developers to efficiently search and modify content with intuitive syntax, even when handling poorly formatted markup. So, what are the key features and practical applications of BeautifulSoup? So, for the powerful capabilities, it works with XML and the html.parser. There is easy navigation through nested HTML, the search by tags, attributes, and or CSS selectors, and then modify document structure efficiently. So for the common use cases, it's used for web scraping and data extraction, website content analysis, web application testing, and HTML data cleaning. Here is an example for trying out the BeautifulSoup. Do let us know how it went after running this in VS Code. Thank you for watching.